Hello children. So welcome to AIMS India's online classes. Today from mathematics subject, playing with the numbers topic we are going to continue. So our today's concept is common factors and common multiples. So already in our previous video, we have learned about factors and multiples children. Suppose if we have 3 into 6 equal to 18. 3 into 6 equal to 18. Here 3 and 6, these two are called factors and this is the product. This is the product. Or this product can also be called as multiple. It's a multiple of 3. It's a multiple of 6. Here these two are called 3 is a factor of 18. 6 is a factor of 18. So like that, factor means the number which can divide the given number exactly, that is said to be a factor. Multiple means the numbers formed by multiplying the given number with the natural numbers like 1, 2, 3 and so on. They are called multiples. Okay. Now let's see about common factors and common multiples. So the factors of 12 are, because 12 means we can write it as a product of 1 and 12, 2 6 times 12, 3 4 times 12, 4 3 times 12. 4 3 times 12 already it is repeated. So these three are enough. These three formations are enough. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 are the factors of 12. In the same way, if we observe the factors of 18, so 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18 are the factors of 18. So if you carefully observe the factors of both 12 and 18, here in both the factors, 1 is repeating, 2 is repeating, 3 is repeating and 6 is repeating. So this 1, 2, 3, 6, they are present in both factors of 12 and factors of 18. Hence, they are considered as factors of both 12 and 18. Factors of both 12 and 18. And these factors which are present in both the given numbers, they are considered as common factors. They are called as common factors. So the common factors of 12 and 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6. But here 4 is not a common factor. Why means 4 is present in factors of 12 but not in factors of 18. Okay. And one more thing, 9 also, it is present in factors of 18 but not present in factors of 12. Like that numbers we should not consider. So which are available in both the factors, only we have to consider. They are considered as common factors. Okay. In the same way, if you if you check another example, the factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, 8. The factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5, 15. Which one is common in both the factors? Only one is common. Note that 1 is the only common factor of 8 and 15. Only one is common. Okay. So we can have one or more common factors. Sometimes we can have only one common factor. It depends. It depends on the numbers which we have taken. Okay. In the same way, if we see the multiples, of 4, multiples of 6, multiples of 4 means 4 1 is 4, 4 2 times 8, 4 3 times 12, 4 4 times 16. Like that, we can write multiples 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. Like that we can, and so on. We can write infinite multiples of 4. In the same way, for 6 also, starting from 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42 and so on. Up to infinity, we can write multiples of 6. We can write multiples of 6. Okay. Here. If you observe here 12 is common, 24 is common, 36 is common. So 12, 24, 36 are multiples of both 4 and 6. Still, common multiples may be there because the multiples are, they will continue up to infinity. Still, if we take some more numbers, some more common multiples we may get. But as per given list, this 12, 24, 36 are the multiples of 4 and 6. So these are called common multiples. So like this, we can find common factors and common multiples for given two numbers. Next, types of natural numbers. So if you take any number and if you divide it with 2, 2 times 4, remainder is 1. This is not divisible by 2. Suppose if you take another number, 2, 3 times 6, 0. Remainder is 0. The numbers which are exactly divisible by 2, like 6, these are called even numbers. So any natural number means symbol is capital N. What are natural numbers? The numbers starting from 1. So the numbers starting from 1 are considered to be as natural numbers or counting numbers. So a natural number which is exactly divisible by 2 is called even natural number or even number. So even numbers are, first least even natural number is 2. After that 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. If you observe the natural numbers, the difference between two natural numbers is 2 plus 2. First least, because 0, we should not count 0. Because 0 is neither even nor odd. So okay, because natural number starts from 1. From 1, if we compare, 2 is the least natural number. So next natural number formed by adding plus 2 to it. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Like that. So the normal form of natural number is 2n, where n is a natural number. Means in the place of n, if we keep 1, 2 into 1, 2. If we keep 2, 2 into 2, 4. If we keep 3, 2 into 3, 6. Like that. So these are considered as natural numbers. And the natural form of natural number is, general form of natural number is 2n, where small n is a natural number. So actually, how many even numbers are there? Like this, they will go on continuously up to infinity. So there are infinitely many even natural numbers. So all the even natural numbers, they will end in their last digit to be either 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 18. So how to find even number means, if in its ones place, if we have 0 or 2 or 4, 6, 8, then without dividing by 2, directly we can tell. By observing its units place digit, we can tell it is a even number. If in unit digit, if it has 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, any one of this digit, then it will be a even number. But 0 is not even number. Okay. Next. One minute. Next. Odd number. Means odd number means opposite to even number. So even number means which is exactly divisible by 2. Odd number means a natural number which is not exactly divisible by 2. Which is not divisible by 2 is called odd natural number. So odd natural numbers are starting from 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 and so on up to infinity. So there are infinitely many odd natural numbers. The least odd number is 1. The highest odd number does not exist because they will continue up to infinity. So highest odd number does not exist. Odd number general form is for even number, if we add 1, then it will become odd number. So the general form of odd number is 2n plus 1. Or in the units place, if we have digits like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 in units place, so then they can be considered to be odd numbers. They can be considered to be odd numbers. The numbers which are not even numbers, they are said to be odd numbers. Next, prime number. Next, prime number. So a natural number greater than 1 is called prime number. But what is the condition? If its only factors are 1 and the number itself. 1 and the number itself. Means if you take 2, 2 is divisible by 1 and 2. That's all. There is no other number. If you take 3, divisible by 1, divisible by 3. If you take 4, divisible by 1, divisible by 4 and also divisible by 2. So it is not a prime number. Here 3 is a prime number because its factors are only 1 and itself. 2 is a prime number. Its factors are 1 and itself. 4 is not a prime number. Its factors are along with 1 and 4, one more extra number is there. So that's why it is not a prime number. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, these are all prime numbers. Why? Means they have only 1 as one factor and same number as other factor. So they are said to be prime numbers. But they should be greater than 1 because 1 is not a prime number because the factors for 1 is only 1. Next. So composite number. Composite number. So a natural number is called composite number if it has more than 2 different factors. More than 2 different factors. Like 4. 4, 1 is a factor, 4 is a factor, 2 also a factor. Means these 3 are different factors. Normally, prime numbers will be having only 2 factors, but composite numbers will have more than 2 different factors. Like 3 factors, 4 factors, 5 factors, like that. If they have more than 2 factors, then they are said to be composite. So here, for our observation, 1 is neither prime nor composite. 1 is neither prime nor composite. So here 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, these are all composite numbers. Next, sieve of Eratosthenes. So next, sieve of Eratosthenes. Suppose we want to find prime numbers between 1 and 100, 1 to 100. Then how to find prime numbers between 1 and 100? Regarding that, the mathematician Eratosthenes, who lived between 274 BC, 194 BC, who was a Greek mathematician, he gave a simple method to find the prime numbers between 1 to 100. So on behalf of his name, that method is named as sieve of Eratosthenes. Sieve of Eratosthenes. Sieve means separating particles from a mixture. So here we are separating prime numbers from 1 to 100 natural numbers. So that's why it is called sieve of Eratosthenes. So in this method, what he has done is, first he has written all the natural numbers from 1 to 100 in rows of 10. Means 1 to 10, first row, 11 to 20, second row, third row, fourth row. Like that, 10 rows, he has written the natural numbers. So next, here as 1 is neither prime nor composite, he separated it by making a box around it. So because 1 is neither prime nor composite, he separated it by making a box. For it. Next, step 3. Begin with 2, which is a prime, encircle it and cross out all the multiples of 2. Because here 2 is a prime number, we have to make it circle, we have to make it encircle, we have to make it keep it in a circle, and we have to cross out all the multiples of 2, because all the multiples of 2 will be having, suppose 4 is a multiple of 2, 6 is a multiple of 2, 8 is a multiple of 2. Why we have to make them cross out? Because the factors of 4 are 1 and 4, and 2 also will be a factor, because 4 is a multiple of 2. 4 is a multiple of 2, that's why 2 is a factor of 4. Even 6 is a multiple of 2, so 2 will be the factor of 6 along with 1 and 6. So they will be having more than 2 factors. All the multiples of 2 will be having 3 factors at least. One is 1, another is same number, and 2. Because it's a multiple of 2, 2 will be another factor to it. So that's why we have to cross them out. All the multiples of 2 except 2 will not be the prime numbers. So what he has done? He encircled 2. It's a prime number. 2 multiples. 2 times 4, 2 3 times 6, 2 4 times 8, 2 5 times 10, 2 difference. Here we have to leave one, next one strike off. 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 Like that we have to strike off all. We have to strike off all. So next we have to uncross the next number 3, which is a prime number, and we have to encircle it, and we have to cross out all multiples of 3. Some of them might be already crossed out because of 2. Multiples of 2 already we crossed out. Now we are crossing out multiples of 3. From that, already some crossed out numbers may be there. So next what? Next number 5. 5 is a prime number. We have to encircle it, and we have to cross out all the multiples of 5. Like that, we should continue the process. Encircling the prime numbers and crossing out their multiples until we cannot cross out any more numbers. Up to that last moment, we have to go on cross out. So here from 3 he has encircled with 3. 3 1 is 3, 6 cross out, 9 cross out, 12 cross out, 15 cross out, 18 cross out, 21 cross out, 24 cross out, 27 cross out, 30 cross out. Next 5. 5 is a prime number. 5 1 is 5, 5 2 times. 10 cross out, 15 cross out, 20 cross out, 25 cross out, 30 cross out, 35 cross out, 40 cross out, 50, 45, 50. Next with 6 already crossed out. No need to check the multiples of 6. Next 7 is remaining. Let's check with 7. 7 1 is 7. 7 2 times 14 cross out. 7 3 times 21 cross out. 7 4 times 28 cross out. 7 5 times 35 cross out. 7 6 times 42 cross out. 7 7 times 49 cross out. Like that. Next with 11. Next with 13. Next with 17. 19. Like that. We have to check with all the possible numbers. Though the numbers which are not striked out, they will be kept in circles, and the numbers which are in circles will be considered as prime numbers from between 1 to 100. Prime numbers between 1 to 100. So like this, all these numbers up to 97. Up to 97, we got prime numbers. Next, twin primes. Next, twin primes. So, twin means two. Means pairs of prime numbers. Pairs of prime numbers whose difference is 2 are called twin primes. Whose difference is 2. Like 3, 5, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 29, 31, 41, 43, 59, 61, 71, 73, like that. If their difference is 2, you can observe 3, 5 difference is 2, 5, 7 difference is 2, 41, 43 difference is 2, 71, 73 difference is 2. If the difference between the pairs of prime numbers is 2, they are considered to be twin primes. Next, prime triplet. Next we have prime triplet. Prime triplet means a triplet of consecutive prime numbers which differ by 2 is called a prime triplet. Prime triplet means for 3 consecutive numbers, prime numbers, if the difference of first 2 is 2, if the difference of next 2 is 2, means these 2 consecutive prime numbers differ by 2, next 2 consecutive prime numbers differ by 2, then this triplet, group of 3 numbers, triplet, is called prime triplet. So 3, 5, 7 is the only prime triplet we have in the numbers. Prime triplet. Next, co-primes. Two natural numbers are co-primes if they have no common factor other than 1. Suppose they have given 2, 3, 2 and 3, and they are asking you to find out whether they are co-primes or not. So what are the factors of 2? 1, 2. What are the factors of 3? 1, 3. What is their common factor? 1. Means there is no other common factor other than 1. Means if for a pair of prime numbers, the common factor is only 1 and there is no other common prime factor, so then they are said to be co-primes, like 3 and 8, 5 and 6. They may be prime number or not, because if you take 5 and 6, 5 is a prime number, 6 is not a prime number. But for checking co-primes, what we have to think? We have to think about their factors. For 5, 1, 5 are factors. For 6, 1, 2, 3, 6 are factors. Which is common? Only 1 is common. That's why 5, 6 are said to be co-primes. Co-prime means there is no compulsion that 2 of them should be prime numbers. 2 of them, they may be prime number, they may not be prime number. But their common factor will be only 1. Then they are said to be co-prime. Next, perfect number. Means if they have given a number like 6 or like 28, we have numbers like 6 and 28. If sum of all the factors of a number is equal to twice the number, then the number is called perfect square. What are the factors of 6? 1, 2, 3, 6. What is the sum? 12. Means sum of factors is twice. 6 into 2, 12. Sum of factors is twice of the given number. So that's why 6 is a perfect number. Even for 28 also, factors of 28 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, 28. If we do that sum, it will be 56, which is equal to twice of 28, which is equal to twice of 28. So that's why 28 also a perfect number, not 56. The given number 28 also a perfect number, Next, what we have observed, children? So one is neither prime nor composite. So one is neither prime nor composite. So every natural number except one, it may be prime number or it may be composite number. So 2 is the only prime number which is even. 2 is the only prime number which is even. All other prime numbers are odd numbers. So every odd number is not prime, because 9 is odd number, but it is not prime number. Why? Because for 9, along with 1 and 9, 3 is a factor. Two more than 2 factors it is having. That's why it is not a prime number. How many prime numbers are there? Infinitely many. Infinitely many prime numbers we have. The prime numbers are always co-prime. If they ask us to examine whether two prime numbers are co-primes or not, means if they are prime numbers, definitely they will be co-prime. If one is prime number while another is normal number, then we have to check whether they are co-prime or not. But if they give 2 prime numbers, compulsorily they will be co-prime. Co-prime numbers means they may not be prime. The 2 numbers may not be prime. Next. Next slide. So all the factors of 24, 36, already this model questions yesterday we have discussed. Okay, factors of 24, 36. Example 2, also you can do it as homework. Multiples also already we have discussed. Example 3, common factors. Common factors of 60, 75, 105. You have to write factors of 60, factors of 75, factors of 105. So what are common factors? 1 is present in 3, 3 is present in 3, 5 is present in 3, 15 is present in 3. So 1, 3, 5, 15 are the common factors of given 3 numbers. First we will write all the factors, then we will circle all the common factors. Next, find the common factors. Next, find the common multiples. Common multiples of 4, 6 and 8. Common multiples. Multiples of 4 means 4 1 is 4, 4 2 times 8, 4 3 times 12, like that, up to infinity. Multiples of 6 also up to infinity. Multiples of 8 also up to infinity we can write. So they are asking to write as common multiples. But common multiples exist up to infinity. We cannot write all. Any 3 or 5 we have to write, and so on. Dots we have to keep. So what is the first common prime number? Sorry, common multiple? 24, 24, 24. 24 is present in all. Next 48. Next 72. Like that. These 3, etc. are common multiples. Actually, if you observe, okay, next weekend, in next concept it will come. Next. All right, all the even numbers between 13 and 24. What are even numbers? One digit to be 13 after 14 will come. If in units place we have 0, 2, 6, 4, 8, then it is an even number. 13 after 14, units place 4, 16, 18, 20, 22. They are asking between 13 and 24. That's why 13, 24 we should not include. So 14 to 22 we can write. So odd numbers between 121 and 136. So what is odd number? In units place, the digit should be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 121 after 122. 122, units place 2, even number. Next 123, units place 3, odd number. 24, even. 25, odd. 26, even. 27, odd. Or 2 gap. 127 after 129, plus 2, 131, plus 2, 133. Like that we can find odd numbers. Write 3 consecutive even numbers, whole numbers, succeeding 78. Means after 78, what even numbers will come? 80, 82, 84. Next, express each of the following even numbers as the sum of 2 odd prime numbers. 2 odd prime numbers. Suppose 18. 18 can be written as 7 plus 11. 7 is a prime number. 11 is a prime number. Both are odd numbers. Both are prime numbers. Sum of odd prime numbers. Okay. Next 44. 13 plus 31. 13 is an odd number. 31 is odd number. Both are prime numbers. Sum of odd prime numbers equal to 44. Equal to 44. We can also write 7 into 7 plus 37. We can also write 7 plus 37 or 3 plus 14, 41. 3 plus 41. This 18 also can be written as 5 plus 13. So multiple answers are there. 7 plus 11 we can write, 5 plus 13 we can write, 44 in 3 ways we can write. In 3 ways we can write. Here, express each of the following numbers as sum of 3 odd prime numbers. Sum of 3, 31. 3 plus 5 plus 23. 3 is prime, 5 is prime, 23 is prime. 3 are odd numbers. Sum of 3 odd prime numbers. So it can also be written as 5 plus 7 plus 19. Even 61 also. 7 plus 13 plus 41. Or 13 plus 17 plus 31. Like this, in so many ways we can write. Next one, fill in the blanks. A number having exactly 2 factors is called, if it has only 2 factors, one is 1, another one is itself, then it is called prime number. More than 2 factors, it's called composite number. One is neither prime nor composite. Smallest prime number, 2. Smallest odd prime number, 3, because 2 is even. Smallest composite number, 4, because 1 we should not count. Small, because 2 is prime. 1 is neither prime nor composite. 2 is prime. 3 is prime. So what is the least composite? 4. Smallest odd composite, again 5 is prime. 6 is even. 7 is prime. 8 is even. 9 is composite. So up to 9 we have prime numbers and even numbers. 9 is the first odd composite number. So all prime numbers except 2 are. 2 is the only prime number which is even number. Remaining all are odd numbers. Remaining all are odd numbers. Okay children, that's all for today. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates. Thank you. Have a good day.